Thank you for joining us for the Tradex Foods 3-Minute Market Insight, the Monday Morning Pulse Report for seafood purchasers. In the news this week, finally, something that I'm personally very excited about. China's import and quarantine service is taking steps to prevent net weight fraud. The CIQ office in Qingdao is enforcing new regulations that require all fish and seafood products for export to state the destination country and glaze percentage on the packaging. This will likely be rolled out in other Chinese cities moving forward. Hopefully, these measures will level the playing field for companies who enforce strict net weight standards. In other news, the price gap between once frozen North American processed Pacific Cod and twice frozen China processed Pacific Cod is abnormally high. Once frozen prices are 53% higher than prices for twice frozen products. Normally, the differential is somewhere between 10 and 20%. As a result, demand for twice frozen product is very strong in North America and Europe. China sources the majority of their Pacific Cod from Russia. And despite the Russian quota having increased 16% this year, processors are having trouble securing raw materials. On the other hand, demand for once frozen domestic Pacific Cod is stagnant. As I look forward, I anticipate that once frozen prices may soften a bit to reduce the price differential, and strong demand will keep prices high for Pacific Cod out of China. And next, a quick update on Pollock. The Russian Bering Sea Pollock catch fell short this year. Only 65% of the quota was landed by June 20th, when the fishery closed. A larger proportion of Russia's total allowable Pollock catch was landed in the Sea of Okhotsk. Meanwhile, in Alaska, the Pollock quota is up 54%, and the season is still open. However, 39% of the Alaskan pollock is processed into fish meal, surimi, and minced, and approximately 12% into fillet blocks. Almost all of these products are destined for reprocessing in Asia. Only about 10% of the Alaskan pollock is produced into once frozen fillets for the domestic market. China pollock prices have been stable the last couple of weeks, with Brazil still taking high volumes of Chinese product. Lower standards in Brazil with respect to moisture content and net weight means that it is very profitable for Chinese processors to sell to Brazilian customers. Consequently, securing supply in North America and Europe is difficult. Currently, production space is booked up all the way to March 2012 delivery. Thank you for joining me for the Tradex Foods 3-Minute Market Insight. This is Robert Reierson. Buy smart and eat more seafood.